Good morning, Facebook, and happy January 2023. Realty in Palm Bay, Florida, and have I got a special treat for you today. I have a very large house, 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, a bonus room under air, and an extra area in the garage with a private door exit where we're at right now. We're on Alpha Street. And we are at a corner lot. It's absolutely stunning. You'll get a little cheaper insurance since there's a fire hydrant on the corner. And it is super quiet. I have not seen a single car go by since we've been here with the photographer. Caitlin just did her video. Now I'm doing my video. Great location. You're just minutes away from the Malabar exit off of 95 and the Palm Bay exit. So you're surrounded by shopping, dining, a couple CrossFits in there for those that want to cross, schools, and about 20 minutes to the beach, to Melbourne Beach. Spectacular location. Also not far from FIT University and Eastern Florida State University. So you're also close to the colleges. We are going to go ahead and take a walk in. So that's very nice, really pretty. I love the archway coming into the front door with the brick. Really, really pretty. Nice big yard up front, and the backyard's humongous with a pool. So come on in. So we are now entering. To the right is our family room. Nice big open floor plan. The ceilings were just redone, so no more popcorn, which is fantastic. Huge kitchen. I love this ginormous center island. They have a pantry to the left, so you have a pantry for your storage, and lots of storage. You have storage on this side, you have storage on the other side. Nice upper cabinets. I love the crown molding around the cabinets. Super cute. They did use that chalkboard paint, which I love. Kind of gives it a little bit of rusted country look, but yet still new. The backsplash is stunning. We're going to come on over this direction first. So you have your dining area here, and then you have a pretty decent sized dining room table in here, which is great, and a very big family room. And we're going to come on out this way to the added bonus room that they put on with permits back in, I guess it was 2003, 2004. Love this. This gave them a bigger family room, another one. So you could have TV out here, you could have TV in there. We're gonna just take a quick glimpse through the door of the pool, but we will be back to that in a moment. And this room is under air. So now we're gonna come back in, and we're gonna just kind of slide on over to those. It is a split floor plan, so we're going to the other bedrooms. For those of you who follow me regularly, you know split floor plan means bedrooms on one side of the house, master suite on the other, and usually kitchen or dining or family room in between. So we're coming into bedroom number 2 right now. Bedroom number 2 is currently being used as an office. And I love the closet doors that they put on in here. They've been here for 30 years and have done so much work, little by little, over the years in this house. Raised their kids, and now it's time to move on to a new home. We're sliding down the hallway, and to the left, what used to be the laundry room, they moved the laundry to the other side of the house. So this is all storage in here, which is fantastic. And then behind that door that we're not going to go in right now because it's picture day, we had to move some stuff back there, is another big room they created. They sectioned the garage off in half. That area is under air. It was a craft room. It could be a bedroom, an office. It has its own private door out the side of the house. So technically, you know, you could have an in-law suite, so to speak, that way, along with this room. And then we're going to go over here, and to the right is bedroom number 3. Nice sized bedroom. A lot of nice light coming in through the windows. Good sized closet. In between bedroom 3 and 4 is the second bathroom. Tile shower, tub, combo. just a standard second bathroom. And then bedroom number 4, all the bedrooms are really good size. So we're not looking at any 10 by 10s. And so you have plenty of room for furniture, larger beds, kids furniture, whatever you want to put in there. It is great. All right, now we're gonna work our way back, taking one more glimpse at that big family room coming up and the master suite. I love this big island. Plenty of prep space. And listen, if you're not a cook, plenty of room for the bags of takeout. All right, we're gonna head on into this nice big master suite bedroom. Really nice and big. And they have big furniture in a lot of these rooms. So there's plenty of room for jazzercise, exercise bikes, and spot to sleep. Now we're heading into the master bath, where you have a really nice shower, walk-in shower, single sink. And then as we approach back here, we have the jetted tub in a separate room by the closets. So his and her closets. And then that way back there is where the washer and dryer are, which is nice to have given space to them back here versus across the house. Obviously, if you don't like them here, you can hire a plumber and move them back. And now I'm going to show you what's behind this door. Would you look at that? A nice, easy little walk out to the extra bonus room to go check out the pool. I love that big door there. All right, so let me get this door here for Caitlin. She's doing a great job videoing for me today. Thank you, Caitlin. All right, check out this pool. They just had it retiled around the top of the pool. They have outdoor lighting. We'll be posting a picture of the outdoor lighting in the MLS. It's really, really pretty. This yard is huge. It's all fenced in. Ginormous workshop, wood workshop, or whatever you want to make it. He said shed, she shed, kid shed, whatever shed. Has 30 amp service running out to it, which is spectacular. You have a nice big area. They have a little fire pit thing going on over there for at nighttime. And then, hey, Caitlin, let's walk to the left for a second and show them how deep this yard really goes, because so much is going on over here with the pool. And gutters all the way around the house. The sellers put gutters up, which I love that too. And yeah, so you can see from one end to the other how deep this yard is. And it is on a corner lot. It is a spectacular house. It is definitely drop your bags, move in ready. And I will tell you, this big pool home, if you are a snowbird, if you are a family, if you're an investor looking for an Airbnb or rental property, this place is spectacular. It is coming on the market at $430,000, and I know this one will go quick, even with our market the way it is. It's been priced to sell and priced to move. So contact me, Corinna Daninger, the listing agent. My contact information is on this video, or contact your agent. Either way, talk to someone. You're going to want to get in here quickly. Have a great day.